Experience high-tech gaming, virtual reality adventures, and arcade thrills like never before. Also got some nicely printed souvenir photo from AI photo booth. Perfect place to manage your family, friends, barkada. Like today, kasama ko yung aking daughter na si Allison. At dito lang yan sa Space Arcade located at Level 1, S. Maison at Conrad Marina Way, Pasay. Open sila from Mondays to Sundays from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Super nag-enjoy kami dito ng aking daughter. Tinry nga pala lahat ng daughter ko yung lahat ng mga games na nandito. May Klook Summer Sale nga pala sila ngayon kung saan meron silang Barkada Adventure, buy 4, get 1 free. At Space Adventure kung saan ay buy 4 and get 500 credits at Space Arcade for free. Promo duration is from April 1 until May 31, 2025. Ang saya na naging banding namin dito ni Allison. Super nag-enjoy kami dahil malinis yung lugar at maganda talaga yung kanilang mga games. We had an ultimate VR experience and step into a new world of entertainment at Space Arcade PH where virtual reality meets excitement. We only live once, so live life to the fullest. Deserve yung ma-experience yung mga ganitong klaseng arcade na talaga namang mag-e-enjoy ang lahat. Kaya visit na!